So this is my TH8A from Thrustmaster. It has the 7-gear gated with the reverse over here. I did do 2 mods to this. I have a short shifter. Down underneath here there is a plastic piece with a ball bearing that when you put it in and out of gears, it gives a nice little clunk to feel like an actual mechanical gear shifter. Stock, it does feel a little arcadey because there's no and besides hitting the gates, there's no clunking. That's why I did that mod, but the mod was very reasonable, so it just made this thing feel like an actual shifter. The short shifter kit came with the short shaft, and then I kept the original shaft and put a wood dowel at the top, and I use that whenever I want a sequential shifter on here. But most of the time I keep the stock, which metal, it feels nice, firm, and then with the 2 mods, this feels so good. It feels like, remember when I had my manual car? I'm in electric now, so sometimes I miss it, but not in Orlando traffic. I don't miss the gear changing. So whenever I'm sim racing, I do enjoy making sure I'm in a car that should have a manual and drive it with this.